Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now let's look at deep breathing, Dirgh Swasan, for your pranayama practice. Any pranayama practice is done in any one of the meditative asana I've explained before. So pick any asana you like. I'm gonna demonstrate in swastika asana, which is a very simple asana in all the meditative asanas. So this is swastikasana. From here, I'm going to place my palms in meditative asana, dhyana mudra. Your spine is straight, chin lifted up a little. A deep breath in and out. So this is the Dirgh Swasan. Dirgha is nothing but lengthened part of any practice. So we are just stretching it a little bit more than natural breathing. So what we're going to do is breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. You can also count. So to begin with, breathe in for 4 count and breathe out in 4 count. You can also use stopwatch for your practice. But let me demonstrate slow and steady. You are not rushing a breath or jerking or using any jerky movements. Okay? Slowly in 4 count, I'm going to breathe in. You have to count in your head. Now understand, if you're hearing the sound of my breath, I'm making that sound so that you understand what exactly I'm doing. But make sure when you practice, do not make that sound. The breathing has to be very natural. Happy practicing.